Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are visiting the Bass Pro Shop store with Candy, my coton de Tuliar, and I will give you 9 tips to bring your dog with you to the store. Number 1. Choose the place or places you want to visit with your dog and make a list. Number 2. Check if they are pet friendly. How? Check the website, make a phone call, send an email, or go in person without your dog to ask if they accept dogs or not. If the answer is not, you will have to respect. Number 3. When you have the place to visit, your dog have to eat and drink water before leaving the house. Number 4. Make sure your dog after that do his business, pee and poop. Number 5. Take the essential for your dog. For example, collar or leash, identification tags, water bottle, wipes, or cookies for a good behavior only. And here additional advice. Make sure your pet is clean. You will know, like if you have a pet friendly business, somebody comes to your place with a stinky pet, right? Please, you have to respect that. Number 6. When you arrive into the store, you must walk in outside area first. Leave your pet smell and familiarize with the area. Your dog have to do pee. This is very important. After this, you can enter to the store. In this way, you never will have inconvenience inside to the store. Number 7. When you are inside, let him sniff and you walk as much as possible in all areas with him. Your dog must follow you and respect the way where you go. Guys, in my case, now I'm recording a video for you. When I do this, I have to let my girl go ahead to be able to record her steps. But when I don't record a video, she only walks next to me. Number 8. Make walking and sniffing your dog through all areas of the store. It will help you to get your pet excited and then he's less excited. Example. If you cannot leave your dog sniff the place, he will be super excited to want to do something that you don't allow him. And then he will start to give you some problems. If him is a quiet dog, you will have no problems. In my case, Candy loves the street and visiting new places and absorbing my energy of joy when visiting new places. She's a little bit crazy as you see in this video, but at the same time she has a good behavior, and when I give her any order, she respects me always. And number 9, then you can sit in a quiet area on a bench, chair, or on the floor and stay resting with your dog for a little while. If you are going to buy, just grab and go, and you will leave the store happy with your dog. Guys, I hope you like this video. If yes, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my social media. I have recipes for you every Wednesdays, and every Saturdays you have new videos with my dog. See you next time. Bye bye.